In 2026, Germany's military aviation has entered a transformative phase, combining decades of engineering precision with modern stealth and smart missile capabilities. As a leading member of NATO and the European Union, Germany's Luftwaffe, the German Air Force, has upgraded its entire air combat doctrine. From the refined Eurofighter Typhoon to its co-development of the Future Combat Air System, FCAS. With France and Spain, Germany now leads Europe's charge into sixth-generation warfare. In this video, we explore the aerial muscle of Germany, from the sleek fighter jets carving through the sky to the devastating precision of their modern missiles. As tensions rise globally, Germany's sky warriors stand as both shield and sword for Europe. The 2026 Eurofighter Typhoon, Germany's primary multi-role combat jet, has received major upgrades. It now features new conformal fuel tanks, giving it extended range without compromising aerodynamic efficiency. Its fuselage and wing frame are reinforced with lighter composites and radar-absorbing materials. The Typhoon's smooth delta-wing design with canards up front allows for tight turns, rapid climbs, and agile maneuvers during dogfights. The aircraft has evolved beyond its 4.5 generation roots. It now boasts near-stealth geometry, advanced cooling systems, and an integrated dorsal spine for additional electronic warfare tools. The new FCAS demonstrator, currently in testing, shows an angular, stealthy design similar to a hybrid between the US F-22 and France's Rafale. Though not fully operational yet, this next-gen jet promises to revolutionize Germany's air strategy. Drones known as remote carriers will fly alongside it, sharing targets and weapon loads. German drone wings are sleek, V-shaped, and barely visible to radar. The entire exterior philosophy reflects speed, stealth, and battlefield adaptability. Inside these jets lies a world of technology built for information dominance. The Eurofighter's new cockpit features a glass touchscreen interface, AI-enhanced threat detection, and pilot biometrics monitoring. Voice-activated commands allow pilots to switch between radar modes, activate weapons, or contact AWACS planes. The pilot's helmet is now equipped with IR vision, augmented reality overlays, and live satellite feed access. The FCAS mock-up features a completely digital cockpit, minimal physical controls, maximum Neuralink command potential. Advanced German avionics ensure seamless communication across NATO networks. Encrypted data links feed the pilot everything from missile lock alerts to enemy drone swarm activity in real time. These jets can fly solo or as command units in larger networks. They even interact with ground-based systems, feeding targeting info directly to artillery or naval platforms. Germany's air superiority in 2026 is not just about firepower. It's about real-time information, AI-driven defense, and seamless command over digital and physical domains. German jets,